Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Eric, and this is the first day of renovating my room. So, yeah, basically today is the first stage where I'm going to add a bunch of stuff that I think will help improve the actual aesthetic of my room, and then we're going to go purchase it, hopefully, because I got cash to burn and my room's kind of ugly. So anyway, I'll show you the current state of my room, and it isn't very good, to say the least. Alright, so one of the definite positives has to be the LED light. Running right across the edge of my desk, but you know, that's basically the end of that, I guess you could say. Like, I got this Warriors banner Curry jersey and these two Warriors posters and this Star Wars poster, but you know, they don't really have a matching aesthetic, and I'm planning to move them to like this empty wall over here in my room. And yeah, definitely planning on getting rid of this ugly lamp. Like, look at that, it's literally like bolted to the wall. But yeah, that's for a different time. Today we're just going to focus on the stuff that you guys will be seeing in most of my YouTube videos, and that is this corner. So as you can see, we have some stuff in our cart already. First off, we got this rose lamp, then we got a London map, and then we got this other neon light. So yeah, that's basically what I'm planning on getting for this room. Yeah, my idea is hopefully I can get enough separation between me and the background so that you know, it will kind of give a cool little accent lighting in the background in my videos, and hopefully add some flair to that. So we got a package, and let's go downstairs to see what it is. Never mind. Anyway, it's finally here. Aha! Yes, here we go. Here's the posters, and what I was looking for, the dream sign. So yeah, that's what came in this box. And in this box, some other prints. The London one. So yeah, let's go get it set up. Here is the sign itself. Right here. So yeah, it looks just how it looked like in the photos. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And now you gotta get it mounted up in my room. Ooh, lighting. Alright, set this up for now. Alright, so welcome back to another day of trying to get the first steps done in decorating my house. I mean, not my house, what am I saying? My room. Alright, let's get that closed. Alright, so excuse the mess in my room, as it always is. But anyway, as you can see in the background right now, voila, I got all the stuff that I previously had up here in my room, and I took that all down and moved that over here, so then we actually have a clean slate to work with for putting up these two posters that I have, and also the dream sign. So yeah, let's just quickly go over what I got done so far. So basically the other day, I actually went to the dollar store already and purchased these frames, and I framed up both the London and the New York sign. And it's pretty crazy, dude. I was actually able to like find both these frames at the dollar store, and they're only $1 each. Considering that, like, okay, it is pretty cheap. They're pretty cheap frames, but you know, they look clean. They have a glass covering, and you know, they get the job done. And as you can see, we have points to mount both of these on the wall. And if we actually take a look at the wall right now, we can see that I already have the dream sign mounted. And let's just get, so basically how I mounted this was, I have these two, kind of like these two pins right here. Push pins. Yeah, that's what they're called. I have these two push pins, poked one in here and one in here on the wall. As you can see, if I take the sign out, one of them actually fell, but that's how I have it mounted up. I have these two push pins inside my wall, and that's what I use to keep the sign mounted. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys back when I actually find that push pin that fell on the wall. All right, so basically I also have these two push pins set in the wall, one right here and one right here. Two push pins set in the wall, and I have them leveled off kinda. So then hopefully when I put them in, the frames should be evenly put. So, what? Yeah. And yeah, with that, we have our setup basically completed. So I'll give you guys a quick look at, oh shoot, from this angle of my room. But yeah, that's basically my setup. You know, it's a lot cleaner than what it used to be. And as I showed you guys before, I got all my other stuff moved to this section of my room. So yeah, as you guys can see, hopefully, this is basically the new set that I kind of have for making my videos, you know? Kind of, I don't know, in my opinion, looks like it could be a better workspace. I don't know, just to get ideas out than what I had before, you know? More consistent color theme too, and I think a lot simpler. You know, that's kind of the look I was going for when starting this, and you know, I'm happy to say it turned out pretty well. But however, one thing I will have to get it fixed. I am planning on getting the push pins that I put in for, you know, these signs swapped out for actual screws at some time, because I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's actually a protrusion. You know, if you can see, there's actually some amount of space between the wall and the actual sign, you know, guys, but it is what it is for now. But you know, hopefully if you guys enjoyed it, you know, these types of videos, you know, just leave a comment below, you know, asking me to do some more videos like this. But yeah, that's, oh yeah, and before we leave, I quickly want to create a little B-roll, you know, compilation of what I have put up today. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. So peace out.
You know you might pay for this.